Good day, YouTubians. I have decided my next project I'm going to embark on is going to be a 3D printer. Today I just received this box with all the parts, and I've just been going through all the different parts. It's a kit that I'm going to attempt to assemble and build. Yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. What I'm actually going to be building is going to be, it's called a RapRap Prusa Mendel 3D printer. So this should be one heck of a challenging project. So what do we have here? We've got loads of different parts. So this looks like to be the belt drive for the different axes of the motors. We've got spindles here, which presumably the belt goes round. Cable ties. I don't really know what these are. I'm sure I'll figure it out. What's this? They look like washers of some kind, perhaps bearings. Yes, bearings. And then what else do we have? We've got a power supply, which is actually rather interesting because the live and neutral of the power is completely exposed, so I'm going to have to be very, very careful when I apply power. And then we've got a collection of bolts and nuts and things, lots of tiny little bolts and washers and springs and screws and so forth. The Arduino, which looks like it's going to drive the electronics of the thing, which I'm already quite familiar with after building the quadcopter. This, I don't know what this is. I think this is the hot end. Unpack that in a minute. And these will be which will make up the frame, which appear to make up the frame of the printer. The threaded rods, and then these look like to be the unthreaded rods. And what do we have here? We have what look like to be stepper motors. We've got 5 of those. Up here we have what looks like a heated print bed. And what else we got? A whole bag of 3D printed parts. Now this is the first time I've actually seen some parts which are actually being 3D printed, and looking at them, they're absolutely incredible because firstly they're unbelievably solid. You know, the only thing I've been playing with is like thermoplastic, and this is completely different, and the resolution, it's just unbelievably smooth. You know, and to the detail as well. I mean, I think I had, yeah, I mean, look at this. You've got these little indented arrows just sort of printed in here as well, and it's just like, my goodness, I cannot wait to get this thing working. But yeah, you can just see the detail on these parts. It's absolutely brilliant. And these are all being 3D printed. Fantastic. And what else have we got here? Ramps 1.4. So I think these are the electronics for the stepper motors. So these are going to be the stepper motor drivers, I think. I'm not quite sure. So yeah, I shall be posting more videos as I go along and build this thing, and I'm going to be following a guide that's online, which is available, I think, at RapRap Kit. So that's where I got all the parts from them. So this should be a rather challenging project. Catch you later.